Johnston, Nash, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wilson County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fremont, or 18 miles north of Goldsboro, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilson, Elm City, Sharpsburg, Kenly, Lucama, Stantonsburg, Black Creek, Saratoga, Sims, and Buckhorn Reservoir. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Wilson, North Carolina. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service.